Hey fellas, I just want to show you a real quick video on how to delete, modify, or add post processors to VCarve. I'm using VCarve 8.5. The versions I've used up until now, all this works the same. I'm using Windows 10. I have no idea if that matters, but anyway. Real quick, so when you go to your toolpath to save files, you know, freshly installed software, your post processor is going to show you, a ridiculous amount of them in here that are placed. So the question is, where do those come from? It's actually really simple to do this. So what you do is you go to File, and open Application Data Folder. It's going to bring this up. So Post P is all the processors that are in the software, and it appears it's like 425 items, which is incredible. But anyway, instead of having to scroll through these, obviously for my stuff is next wave. I'm going to be potentially running, all of these potentially, but the only ones I actually need are the Shark. Let's see, this one here, an inch, this one, and the actual HD4 laser file, which you have to download from the Next Wave website. But anyway, just to show you, it's kind of a pain because when you're over here in your post processor, trying to save files, here, you got to pick through all that stuff, and it's just kind of a pain. So I'll just show you how to manipulate this a little bit. It's really, really simple. So let's say, let's go back here to My Post P. My Post P is going to show what your options are. So those two right there are the only ones that I use. And it's just nice to be able to pick it, because the other part of that too is that this particular one here, this one says inch. Well, that's all I use. I don't use metric. If I accidentally save metric, pick the wrong one, it's going to be a big problem, and it may take me a while to figure out what I did. But you can delete everything and just, obviously, I am sure you guys get it. So real quick, I'll show you. So there's the two in my post P file, and this README file is the only thing that's in the software originally, and that says if you put anything in this file, they'll become the only ones displayed, which is obviously nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simulate this. I'm going to go back to post P, and let's say I want to add one of these for some reason. I'm going to put one in there that I know I'm never going to use, and you can copy this, go back and go to my post P and paste it in there. So this is the CNC. I have no idea what that is. It won't show instantly. What you'll have to do is close out your file, and let's see here. We'll do it this way. Exit, there we go. Okay. Close. Okay, so now I'm going to relaunch VCarve. Create a new file real quick. Now we're going to see if that CNE, whatever it was, is actually in there as a post processor. And there it is. Yep, CNE, whatever, 6 millimeters. So I know I'm never going to use it. I'm going to go back now and delete it so I don't get messed up later. I'm going to open that application data folder and go to my post P, and now delete this because I don't want it in there. There we go. And then close out and relaunch create a new file. And now it should be gone. I should only have the 2 in there that I wanted to have in there originally. There we go. So that's it. If you need to add one, so if you go to download a post processor, online, just save it to your desktop, and now you know where to put it. And I hope that helps somebody out somewhere in the world.